Alright guys, I've got wood. Like scrap wood. This type pieces. Right, never mind. So anyways, I've got lots of scrap wood left over from various projects and stuff, and I've usually been using it for kindling for all the campfires we have out back. But I thought instead of burning it, why don't I start making something out of it? So the plan is to actually cut a bunch of the scrap wood that I got down, and we're going to glue it all together and make a body blanket. We're going to make another guitar, and we're going to call it the Scrapcaster. Get it? Scrap wood, Scrapcaster. Okay, bad joke, I know. Point is, let's get all this stuff cut down to the size of the stuff that we need, then we'll glue it together and put it over in the Shapeoko and do some CNC cutting on it, and hopefully this will be a pretty quick project and something pretty neat we can play. So let's start cutting it down. Okay, so got all my pieces here cut up, ready to go. So we're going to put them up in the clamps, glue them together, and then we can make the blanket. Okay, I've got the blank here. There's quite a bit of glue and stuff left over. That's all right, we'll just clean it off when it dries. So what I'm going to do is I'll let this sit overnight, and so it glues all together and I know it's nice and tight, and then once it's glued, we'll untake the clamps off, we'll throw it up in the table saw so we can shave off all this extra excess stuff here, so we got a nice square blank. And then you'll notice that a lot of this is all unlevel. That's okay, so we're going to throw it up in the Shapeoko and actually surface everything so it's nice and flat and it'll look pretty good. So I'm going to let this sit overnight and dry, and I will come back tomorrow and we'll take a look and go from there. Okay, day 2. Got everything glued here together. Should be pretty solid. So I'm going to take these clamps off and make sure everything's held together, and then we'll throw it up on this table saw, get rid of all this extra stuff, and then we'll throw it in the Shapeoko and trim it down and start cutting out some shapes. Okay, I got it flattened out. Now if you look down this, you can see it kind of got some ridges and stuff. I was going to get rid of those, take it down even more. One, I need the width, and two, it's scrap wood, so I thought it might give the guitar actually a little character. So we're going to go ahead and go with it. So I'm going to throw this up in the machine again. We'll load the program to cut the body out, and then we'll go from there. Okay, everything's cut out. Let's pop these clamps off. See how we did. Alright, not too bad. It's pretty cool. Alright, so we just got to... Didn't go all the way through. That's good though. So we just got to trim this out, and then we'll get the body out and then we'll clean it up. So let's take it over to the workbench and cut it out. Okay. Wow, this is really cool. Pattern on this is pretty wild. Definitely quite a bit of character in it. Yeah, we got plywood, there's some alder, might be a couple pieces of oak. I don't know, just some Who knows? I don't know what's in here. It's all scrap. So, cool. All right, next step, I'm going to take the belt sander to everything. Just kind of get it off a lot of these rough edges. There's still quite a bit of stuff left over from the CNC where it didn't quite go all the way down. So we'll smooth all that out. And then after that, we can kind of start fine-tuning it just a little bit. But honestly, there's not a lot I'm going to do to this. I want to keep it pretty rustic and crazy. I think it ought to look cool. So, all right, check out that edge. Oh man, that's cool. That looks pretty neat. Yay, nay? No? I don't know. All right, let's get out the belt sander.